MSPs have the opportunity here to think outside of the data center. When you think about it today, IT is everywhere. It's in hospitals, it's in manufacturing plants, it's in bank branches, retail stores, it's in closets. But most importantly, it's in remote locations that don't necessarily have IT staff present. IDC predicts that this year alone, 298,000 edge and remote IT locations will be built this year. And that's in addition to the estimated 289,000 that were built last year. So here's an opportunity for the MSPs to offer a managed service to solve the problem of how to support and manage hundreds, thousands of edge and remote IT locations that are simply growing too fast for teams to keep up. On the sustainability front, data center sustainability is an opportunity for MSPs. I did a quick search on LinkedIn and I found over 900, but 908 chief sustainability officers in the US alone. You know, a company is serious about something when they add it to their C-suite. So there's an opportunity there for data center sustainability services for MSPs. And look, the last one, third, but certainly not least, when it comes to regulation compliance, no one wants to end up in the press and be fined millions of dollars for exposing customer data because assets weren't decommissioned properly, or sensitive data wasn't handled well. So MSPs could explore offering a highly differentiated service for asset decommission that tracks the locations of assets and drives containing regulated data so that customer data is never exposed due to poor asset handling.